Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you the cutest bathroom light fixture. This Nathan James bathroom vanity light fixture is beautiful. This is the Mable, and we have it in the black and white, which I absolutely love against this green wall. It just pops. It is a beautiful contrasting color, modern farmhouse decor, and perfect for what we needed. I love that it takes pretty much any light bulb. It's a universal fit, so you can have it as bright or as dim as you need, but it is highly rated for damp areas, so perfect in a bathroom. You don't have to worry about it being in kind of a moister area. And I love it over the sink, over the mirror. It just looks so beautiful, but it gives all the lighting that you need to get ready or whatever else you're doing. And I mean, look at it. Come on. It just totally finished off the look in my restroom. I love it, and I could not be happier with the way it looks. I love it when I find exactly what I'm looking for, and this light fixture was the perfect fit for our bathroom remodel. I'm in love with it, and I know you will be too. That's my point of view.